In this lesson, you will solve algebraic proportions. Remember, in a proportion, the cross products are equal. So we're going to go ahead and solve this first one by writing an equation showing the two cross products being equal. I'm going to start with this. 2 times the quantity n plus 5 is equal to 10 times 4, which is 40. Now to solve this, to find out what n is, we want to go and first do the distributive property. 2 times n is 2n. 2 times a positive 5 is positive 10. So 2n plus 10 equals 40. Now to get n by itself, we're going to subtract 10 from both sides. That's gone. 2n equals 30. And then divide both sides by 2. N equals 15. N would need to be 15 in order to make this a true statement. All right, next up. 5 times the quantity x minus 3 equals 2 times x, which is 2x. Now go ahead and use the distributive property again. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. So 5x minus 15 equals 2x. Now this time we have a variable on both sides, so we need to either get rid of the 5x or the 2x. This one's kind of a toss-up for me because I would want to get rid of the 2x because then I wouldn't have to deal with negatives. However, then I have to do more work to get the 15 to the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and deal with negatives by subtracting 5x from both sides. 5x take away 5x is 0x, and then you're left with a negative 15 on the left and a negative 3x on the right. Now divide both sides by negative 3. X equals 5. All right, next up. 5 times the quantity 2x minus 6 equals 3 times the quantity x plus 4. This time you're going to have to do distributive property on both sides to simplify it before beginning. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times a negative 6 is negative 30, so minus 30, equals 3 times x, which is 3x, and 3 times positive 4, which is positive 12. Now we have variables on both sides, so we either get rid of the 10x or the 3x. I'm going to get rid of the 3x by subtracting 3x from both sides. Make sure you're taking away the x's from the other x term. 10x minus 3x is 7x. Bring down the minus 30 equals, and on this side this would be gone and you're left with a positive 12. Now to get the 7x by itself, we're going to undo the minus 30 by adding 30 to both sides. So on the left we have 7x equals 12 plus 30 is 42. Divide both sides by 7 and you end up with x equals 6.